Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the FEM Report form for an IOD. In case of an on-duty accident, injury or occupational disease, employees seeking compensation for medical treatment should complete the FEM First Medical Report. This report should include incident details and be accompanied by all supporting documents. The practitioner should also specify if further medical tests or consultations are needed, as well as the patient's fitness to return to work. Please note that for the practice to utilize the FEM form and ensure proper population of patient data on the form, the data must be loaded as an IOD data. To learn more about creating an IOD data, please refer to the Create New IOD Data user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a diary screen. Click on the booking of the desired patient. With the diary sidebar now open, click on a clinical button. The clinical case screen will open. From here, click on a Forms Library drop-down menu located on the clinical sidebar and select the FEM First Medical Report. The FEM First Medical Report form will open. We will now take a look at the various sections located on the form. The Employee Details section contains all of the necessary personal information for the claim. Any previously filled in demographic information will automatically populate the necessary fields. This automation helps identify the patient and ensures a streamlined process for claiming the IOD. Complete the Employee Details fields with the relevant information. Accident details will contain all the information from the initial medical evaluation in order for the accident to be documented and to determine what transpired. Complete the following fields by choosing the relevant options and providing answers to the questions. Next, you may add a practitioner's signature by clicking on a doctor's signature section. The signature capture screen will open, where you can either draw the signature manually or load it from the profile by utilizing your pen. For more information regarding adding a signature, please refer to How to Add a Doctor's Signature user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, you may click on a date field and select the date the form has been completed. Once you are satisfied with the form, click on the Complete button. Click on a Save and Close button to save all the changes made and return to the previous screen.